Okay, so let's talk about money. Most of us think about saving it, right? Stashing it away. But what if your money could actually be put to work? We're about to dive into one of the most classic, time tested ways to build wealth: real estate. Let's see how you can turn your savings from something that just sits there into an engine for your financial future.
But first, I have to ask you a question, and I want you to be honest with yourself. Is your money working hard enough? I mean, really think about that cash you have in a savings account. Is it actually growing, or is it just, well, sitting there?
Because here's the reality, and it's kind of tough to hear. Doing nothing has a cost. While your money is sitting in that account looking all safe and sound, it's actually shrinking every single day.
We've all heard the word inflation. You can think of it like this invisible force that's always out there, and its only job is to chip away at the power of your cash. That $100 in your pocket today, well, it won't buy you $100 worth of stuff next year. It's a slow, quiet leak, but it's happening all the time.
To make this really hit home, let's just put a number on it. If inflation is, say, 3% a year, that means your money is losing 3% of its value every year. Now, that might not sound like a lot, but trust me, over a decade, that's a huge chunk of your savings that has just vanished. Poof.
So, how in the world do you fight an invisible problem like inflation? Well, you fight it with something solid, something you can actually see and touch. Let's look at how having a tangible asset can be a powerful defense for your wealth.
And just like that, the goal becomes crystal clear, doesn't it? The mission is to find a physical, tangible asset that can act as a shield. It's all about converting that cash that's shrinking into something real, something that has its own value and can stand up to all those economic pressures.
You know, a tangible asset isn't just a number on a screen or a line on a spreadsheet. It's a real thing, a physical property that exists out there in the world. And there's a powerful kind of security that comes from owning something you can actually see, especially when so much of finance feels abstract.
Which brings us to the absolute champion of tangible assets: real estate. So let's break down exactly how a property stops being just an expense and starts becoming a powerful engine for your financial growth. This quote just nails it. It boils down this huge, powerful financial concept into one simple idea. At its very core, you're buying an asset that someone else, your tenant, is going to help you pay for, month after month after month.
It's really a three-step process. First, you trade your capital, that money that was just shrinking, for a physical asset. Then, that asset immediately starts working for you, generating rental income every single month. That's your cash flow. And third, while all that's happening, the asset itself is hopefully growing in value over the long haul. That's appreciation. So you see, it's a two-pronged attack on building wealth.
So here's the crucial difference, right? On one side, you have static money. Think of it like a melting ice cube. On the other side, you have a working asset, like real estate. That's like planting a tree that not only gives you fruit every year, that's your income, but also grows taller and stronger over time.
Now, I know this all sounds fantastic, but, and this is a big but, it's so important to be realistic. Building wealth this way is not like winning the lottery. It's a long-term commitment that takes a certain kind of mindset. Real estate is, without a doubt, a core pillar of building wealth, but you have to understand what it asks of you. It's a proven long-term strategy, yes, but it requires a lot of capital just to get in the game, and man, does it demand patience. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a get-wealthy slowly plan. So ultimately, investing in real estate isn't just another transaction. It's a foundational act. You are literally laying the bricks and mortar for your financial future, creating something solid and durable that can support you and maybe even your family for years and generations to come. Which leaves us with one final, powerful question to think about. The next dollar you earn, that next bit of savings you put aside, is it just going to sit there slowly shrinking, or are you going to put it to work? What will your next dollar build?